Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. So tonight I don't have any makeup on, as you can tell clearly, and I'm actually super tired and it's already 9 o'clock at night. I've had a full day, and instead of doing any makeup tonight, I thought it might be kind of fun to do something a little different. I'm gonna open and unbox my newest Boxy Charm box so you can see with me the products that I get in this monthly subscription that I pay for. I'm not being paid by them to say this. I just thought it might be fun for you guys to see the kinds of stuff that I actually get in this box in case you were thinking about maybe getting it. And if there's anything in here I feel like we can use for tonight to maybe like put some moisturizer on before I go to bed, we're gonna test that out, that kind of thing. But if not, I'm literally just gonna put some moisturizer on and go to bed after this. So no full makeup tonight. And I also wanted to come to you real and raw, like my description of my channel says. It says that I come to you real and raw, and I'm wearing the exercise clothes that I was in earlier. Like, I don't want to be that same makeup artist on YouTube that comes like completely prepped, ready, their hair is completely done. They look phenomenal before they even do their makeup, and you're like, how the hell am I ever gonna be able to compete with that? Well, this is real life. Like, I come to you real life. I'm in my bathroom right now. It's dark outside. I have a light shining on my face. This is my bathrobe and my towel behind me, and my hair is obviously disgusting and frazzled from working out today and because it's naturally curly, but like, this is who I am. Like, this is me without a stitch of makeup on, not a single thing on, and that's who I am, and I'm unapologetic about it. And I actually like that I'm confident enough now, because I didn't used to be, but confident enough now in my own skin and in my body to come to others looking like this. I used to not be able to go in public without having some makeup on. Oh, I lied. I have a little bit of leftover lip gloss on, but it's probably looking gross by now. No, it's okay. But no, literally that's the only thing I have. But yeah, it's taken me a long time to be able to be in front of a camera, be in front of other people, whatever, just be okay with me looking like this. And so for me, this is really big, but it's also important to me to show other people that makeup artists and people who can look really glam after they're done doing all their makeup don't start out that way. And I'm just like you. We have bare faces. We have imperfections in our skin. I do makeup because I love it. It's a passion of mine. It's a hobby, and I do it to make myself feel good and look better. But I am also at a point now where I'm totally comfortable in my own skin and love the way that I look just like this. And that's okay. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and do this unboxing. I literally have to cut it open because I haven't even done that. So here is what it looks like when you get a Boxycharm box. It will come in a box like this, and it'll have a little sticker here. So we're gonna go ahead and cut that open, and then I will show you what's inside. And it will always come looking like this. Okay, so not necessarily the color, but it'll have the Boxycharm thing inside. It will have this like foam insert, and then it will have this card that I will describe to you. So this is the card that came with the box this week, and it is gonna tell you inside every product that you get and the cost that the product would normally be. And so you understand very quickly how much value you get in the Boxycharm box, because I think I pay $21 a month for this. I think it's bumped up recently to $25 a month, but it's like 25 bucks a month. And the first product on here is $98. So just with the first product, you've already like blown it out of the water, the value that you get. So I'll go over each product and how much they each cost, but let's go ahead and get into this and see what we got. I'm saying we, I know that's kind of mean because you're like, I didn't get anything. So this is what the box looks like. And one of the reasons I love Boxycharm so much is that you get 4 to 5 full-size products. So something like Ipsy, you get little sample products, which is fine for somebody who doesn't do a lot of makeup, but for somebody who really loves makeup and likes getting full palettes and likes getting like hair products and skin products and stuff like that, full size, like the actual full container, this is the way to go. So let's do this $98 thing. This is the serum. Let's see. Okay. I love getting serums. All right, so the first one is Kate Somerville. KX Active Concentrates Biomimicking Peptides Serum. Okay, and it says smooth and firm. So it says targets loss of elasticity and firmness while visibly reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I love getting stuff like this. This I got in my Boxy Charm box a while ago, and it is almost gone. I guess it's about halfway gone, more than halfway. I love it so much. I use it every single day after I get out of the shower. It has made my skin just so healthy looking, and I was really sad that I was gonna be out of it soon, so I'm really happy I got this. I will probably put this on before bed tonight and see how it feels. So that's the first product. That's $98 just right there. So already we've far surpassed the amount that we've spent on this box. All right, the next one is a complete sponge set. So this is from Luxy Beauty. It says complete sponge set. And there are 3 sponges in here. Bake, contour, and detail is what it says. So bake, contour, and detail. And this is amazing. This one retails for $40. So again, like it's just amazing the amount of products that you get for such little amount of money. So anyway, I'll get off my soapbox. You guys understand. This is $40, that one was $98. And I'm really excited to get these. You can never have too many sponges because they can get, you know, bacteria and get dirty and stuff like that. And yes, you can wash them and clean them, but then they start to get grungy over time. So you can never have too many sponges. I'm really happy with that. Okay, the next one is the Shine Cream. Here we go. This is from Amika. It's Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. And this retails for 25 bucks. So for the cost of this, you get all of these things kind of thing. This says, let's see. Oh, it's for your hair. Some of you might have been like, duh, but I'm still new to like hair stuff. Obviously, I don't do much with it most days, but it says this Supreme Leave-In Cream weightlessly conditions, tames frizz, and heat protects for touchably soft hair that's full of shine. Oh, darn it. My cat is now playing with paper and it's gonna make all kinds of noises. I usually like to see how things smell, so let me see how this smells. Oh, dang. Oh my gosh, that smells really good. I'm excited about that. That smells really, really good. Like I kind of want to lather my entire body in this. Good? Yeah, that kind of good. All right, next. 2 products left. The next one is, I'm so excited. This is Moda 5-piece brush set. And you can never have too many brushes as a makeup artist. It says, oh, I already said it. 5-piece deluxe eye kit, 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and this retails for $27.95. So it looks like you get a shade brush. Sunny, get real. Can you play with something that's not as noisy, please? Please? She chased after it. I threw it away and she chased after it. So it comes with a shade brush, a crease brush, a detail brush, a smudge brush, and a line brush. And I'm gonna open this to show you guys the difference between the brushes because some people don't know the difference, so I will tell you right now. Ooh, ooh, I like these a lot. Okay, first of all, they're super, super soft. The bristles are really, really soft, but this handle is really nice. It's like kind of rubbery. I don't know how else to explain it. It's not, I don't know how else to explain it, but it's like, it's just really nice. I just really like the handles. And again, the bristles are really soft. So this is the shade brush. So you can do this all over your lid. This is the detail brush. So you can really get into, you know, do fine details of things on your eye. This is the crease brush, which I know why this is called the crease brush, so that you can do your crease like this. But this is pretty big in my opinion to be a crease brush. But you know, because you can do a transition shade with this, but if you want to really get into your crease and kind of carve out your crease, you're going to want something like the detail brush. So don't be confused by the name. This is a smudger brush, so you can smudge, like do your smoky eye and smudge under your eyes. And then you have a line brush, which you can dip into like brow gel or eyeliner gel or whatever, and you can do different lines with this brush. So that is an awesome, awesome little 5-piece set of brushes. So I'm really happy to have gotten that. Again, that retails for $27.95, more than the entire box itself. And last but not least, this is oh yay, a primer. This is from Pure Cosmetics. It is a 4-in-1 correcting primer, Energize and Rescue, it says. And it retails for $17. It is made with aloe, coconut water, and probiotics, silicone free. So you apply this to smooth, clean, dry skin or before makeup application. Primer is really, really great for helping your makeup stay on and last a lot longer. It also will make things like more bold if you use a primer under an eyeshadow. And it says it's a 4-in-1 correcting primer. Let me see if I can read a little bit more about why it's a 4-in-1. It says, Energize and Rescue will become your must-have beauty tonic and primer for your best and worst skin days, packed with good-for-you skin ingredients such as probiotics, aloe, caffeine, and coconut water. This primer helps smooth and soothe your skin. So I'm not really sure why it's a 4-in-1, but I love having primer. I am pretty much out of the primer that I use all the time, so we will see. And I like Pure, so we'll see if I like this. So once again, we have this amazing serum that's $98. We have the sponges that are $40. We have the hair moisturizer, and that is $25. We have the brushes that are $27.50, and we have the primer, which was $17. And I got all of this for $21. So that is why I think it's worth it. I can't say enough good things about Boxycharm, and I think you should try them out. And because we didn't get like makeup and we literally got stuff that I could just use before bed, I'm gonna go ahead and try out this serum that I just got. So this is what the bottle looks like. Sorry, my light is a little weird, but smooth and firm. So it says to apply AM and PM, apply 1 to 2 drops to cleansed skin. And I actually washed my face right before I did this. So my face is clean. Here's what it looks like. It's literally a serum in a dropper bottle. And when I do my other serum that I like so much, I just do it on my forehead and then on the tops of my cheeks and then rub that all in. So that's how I'm gonna apply this. But I absolutely love serums. I think they do wonders for skin. It smells kind of weird. My other one smelled much more fresh and nicer, but I mean, at $98, I'm gonna hope that it does what it's supposed to do and it smooths and firms and all that stuff. Yeah, it just kind of, it doesn't smell like chemically or anything. It just doesn't smell good. Just kind of smells like biomimicking peptides. That's what it smells like. Okay. Well, that's all I wanted to do for this this episode, this YouTube video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments if you like this and if you want to see more unboxings like this. I can do unboxings anytime I get new makeup, if you like stuff like that. And or if you're just like, no, I would rather not see you do that unboxing. I would much rather see you do makeup. Leave that in the comments below. I'm totally receptive to that and would love to know what you guys want to see. And if you have any suggestions for makeup looks that you want to see, definitely leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you coming back to me. And just make sure you're spreading the love and spreading the kindness. You know, that's what I'm all about. And I hope that you are leaving here with a smile on your face. I really hope that that is what has happened this evening. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.